So I'm just doing some upgrades to this little printer. So I'm upgrading the bearings here, and I've already, since the last video, I've gotten a dual drive extruder. So I got probably the cheapest dual drive extruder you can get from Amazon in the Creality style, and it was terrible. All the tolerances were off. It was missing, what was it missing? It was missing some parts, luckily. I was missing a grub screw, that's not it, but for one of the gears in there. I had to drill this hole bigger because it was off. Anyway, got it working, and it's working really well. It won't skip now. Grabs a good hold of the filament. So for the bearings, the old system, this was what I was using, and basically the lead screw had this locking collar, and it would just push up against it, and I would just jam it up and then lock the collar there. And one of the bearings, I guess, got pushed in or whatever, so there was a little bit of play. So I could have retightened it, but I've got this better solution planned. So for a start, I've got these nice skateboard bearings, ABEC 9. So these ones were AliExpress bearings, and they say ABEC 9, but I don't know, there's a bit of play. I don't know what ABEC 9 is supposed to be, but these ones are definitely way better. So that's going to help with that lateral movement. And then we've got these, what are they called? Thrust washers. Thrust bearings. So yeah, just printing up the parts in carbon fibre nylon, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, so yeah, to replace these parts, I've got this, which is carbon fibre nylon. It's a pretty nice material. So the bearing goes in the back this time with a plate there, and then on the front we can have our bearing here, which just pushes up against there. And here we go, the upgrades are done. So you can see the thrust bearings there. It's a lot quieter now. It used to make a horrible noise in the Y direction. The only thing is I've actually had to reduce the Y maximum speed, or the maximum XY speed, to 57 millimeters per second, and I don't know why, because it sounds quieter, sounds better, but I guess there's more friction somewhere. Maybe I did something up a bit tighter. So it's not really fast, but that's fine, because it can give really good quality prints. So slow is fine for me. So there it is.